In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find and replace words on a Microsoft document you're working on. So if you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So now let's say we want to find the word called online. So we are going to find this word online. So any section of this document that has the word online, we are going to find it. And then after that, you are going to replace it with, let's say, provide, something like that. So now let's do that. So what we do is we come to this section here. At the home tab, you come to this section, you see the find here, just tap on that, and you tap on find. Good, so you can see it here. So now let's search for the online, just like I said earlier, online, and you can see every section that's online appears in this document has been highlighted. This, and this. This is the random text I generated. Yeah, so that's the only online we have here. So now let's try to replace it. So we come on this same tab, which is the home. And then you can see replace at the bottom, just tap on that here. And you can see we already have online searched here. We can replace it with, I said provide. Good. So now what we do is we replace all. Good. And 4 replacement has been done. Good. And now let's close it. And you can see every place that had the online has been replaced with provide. So now let's try to undo whatever we did again. So we come here, Ctrl+ the Z to undo, and you can see, let's change this here from the provide to something else. Let's make it advanced. That's it. It's very, very simple. So you can replace only one, or you can replace everything. So now we tap on the replace all, and then you can see all has been done. So that's it on how you find and replace stuff on Microsoft Word. And with the find and replace, you can replace even fonts and font color and all that. So let's tap on the replace once again here. And now we tap on the more here. Good. And you can see we can replace some, let's say, lowercase to an uppercase, font color and all that. We can replace a lot of stuff. So that's it here with the format and the special. So tap on format here. You can replace the font style and all that. I mean, it's very, very simple, but this is not something a lot of people are going to do. So let's cover the main stuff, which is replacing words here and there. So that's it. If you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you guys an answer on that. So that's it for the video. Peace.